This is CAN control. Okay, this CAN control is going to one cable is black, red cable. This is red cable is going to direct power. Okay, this is CAN control is black cable is going to neutral. Okay, then CAN control is cable yellow and black. Yellow and black going to GPS side, white or yellow. Okay, then blue cable CAN control blue and black is going to GPS tracker side. This one blue and white cable. Okay, then CAN control is cable is going to brown cable is going to pink. This is CAN control brown cable is going to pink cable. Then CAN control is cable is going green white or going to blue. Okay.